After the Nigerian Biafran Civil War, the Igbo people sought ways to increase their population. One of such ways was the special fertility tradition like Ewu Ukwu, especially practiced in Mbaise, Imo State. Ewu Ukwu, which literally means goat for the West, is a ceremony performed for a woman after giving birth to 10 children. During the ritual, a goat is slaughtered and its fat is rubbed on the woman's waist. This act symbolizes high fertility, honor, prestige, and protection from childbearing ailments. It celebrates the woman's strength and contribution to the community. However, in modern times, this practice is declining due to health concerns and changing social values. On the other hand, there is Ewu Ịmụ Atọ, the goat of 3 sons. This one is practiced in many parts of Igbo community. This goat is killed for a woman who gives birth to 3 sons consecutively. It's a way of appreciating the woman and thanking God for such a great blessing. Traditionally, it's believed that performing Ewu Ịmụ Atọ brings great blessings to the family. The children are believed to grow up healthy, intelligent, resourceful, and protected from early death. These practices show how the Igbo people value fertility, motherhood, and continuity of life.